In this podcast episode, Jeff Krasno delves into the intricate relationship between health, stress, and the modern conveniences that often lead to chronic disease. Krasno, the founder of One Commune and co-creator of Wanderlust, shares his insights on how our contemporary lifestyle, designed for ease and comfort, can paradoxically undermine our health and well-being. Krasno begins by challenging the common perception of stress as a purely negative force. He explains that stress, at its core, is an adaptive response that has evolved to help humans survive. He uses the analogy of encountering a rattlesnake while hiking, illustrating how the body's physiological response, heightened heart rate, increased glucose production, and narrowed focus, serves a vital purpose in life-threatening situations. However, in modern society, the rattlesnake never leaves the path. We are constantly bombarded by stressors that lead to chronic stress, which can have detrimental effects on our health. Krasno emphasizes that while acute stress can be beneficial, chronic stress is harmful. He points out that our bodies are designed to handle a certain amount of stress, but the conveniences of modern life have stripped away many natural stressors, leading to a mismatch between our evolutionary design and contemporary living. This mismatch manifests in various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Krasno introduces the concept of the big modern American convenience, which encapsulates the primary culprits contributing to our health crisis. He identifies our food system, sedentary lifestyles, and the illusion of social connection through technology as significant factors. The post-World War II era saw the rise of processed foods, which are calorie-dense but nutrient-poor, leading to widespread obesity and related diseases. Additionally, the majority of jobs today are sedentary, with people spending up to 94% of their time indoors, further exacerbating health issues. Krasno argues that despite the proliferation of gyms and fitness programs, obesity rates continue to rise because exercise has been commodified. People often view exercise as a separate activity rather than integrating movement into their daily lives. He stresses the importance of reconnecting with our evolutionary roots, which involved regular movement and physical labor. A central theme of the conversation is the idea that doing hard things can lead to incredible benefits. Krasno encourages listeners to embrace discomfort as a means of fostering resilience and growth. He shares his personal journey of overcoming health challenges by implementing various good stress protocols, such as fasting, cold exposure, and strength training. These practices not only improve physical health, but also enhance mental well-being. Krasno highlights the importance of emotional regulation and mindfulness in managing stress. He advocates for cultivating a mindfulness practice that allows individuals to focus on the present moment, thereby reducing anxiety and enhancing overall well-being. By training the mind to return to a single point of focus, whether it be the breath, a mantra, or a visual anchor, individuals can develop greater emotional resilience. The discussion also touches on the interconnectedness of all living beings and the environment. Krasno draws from Buddhist teachings, particularly the concept of Indra's net, which illustrates the idea that everything in the universe is independent. He emphasizes that our health is not solely an individual concern, but is deeply connected to the health of our communities and the environment. This perspective encourages a holistic approach to well-being, recognizing that personal health is intertwined with the health of the planet and society. Krasno reflects on the nature of impermanence and how it shapes our understanding of life and death. He shares a poignant story about his wish for a peaceful and meaningful death, emphasizing that life should be celebrated rather than feared. By accepting the transient nature of existence, individuals can cultivate a sense of freedom from the fear of death, allowing them to live more fully in the present. He argues that the fear of death often drives people to engage in unhealthy behaviors, leading to a hostile relationship with nature and themselves. By embracing our nature as part of the larger ecosystem, we can foster a healthier relationship with life and death. As the conversation draws to a close, Krasno emphasizes the importance of community in the healing process. He believes that people heal best in supportive environments where they can share experiences and learn from one another. The podcast serves as a reminder that while modern conveniences may offer comfort, they can also lead to disconnection and disease. By embracing discomfort, cultivating mindfulness, and fostering community, individuals can reclaim their health and well-being. Krasno's upcoming book, Good Stress, aims to further explore these themes and provide practical guidance for readers seeking to navigate the complexities of modern life. The episode concludes with a call to action for listeners to reflect on their relationship with stress and to consider how they can integrate more meaningful practices into their daily lives.